It's me again, Ron, and thank you for stopping by my channel, DIY Beard Guy. In today's video, I'll be making a cutting board. Ever since I started the channel, and more specifically, ever since I started DIYing, just for my personal enjoyment, I've wanted to make a cutting board. So here's my time to shine. The cutting board will be comprised of cherry and purple heart. All right, stay tuned. Do I sink? Do I swim? Keep watching. Let's get right to it.
Perfect.
All right, that was a success. Kind of was sweating there for a moment, but pulled through, got it done. This will actually be a gift for my wife, so you know, she'll get a kick out of it. It beats, you know, going somewhere, buying a cutting board. You may not actually know what the cutting board is made out of. It may be made out of inadequate materials and it won't last as long, but this definitely will last long with that cherry and purple heart. So thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of this. Make a cutting board yourself. As you can see, hey, it's very easy. So all right, once again, stay safe. I'm out.
Pray my soul, I must repent for not telling you what I meant and how I felt. Honestly, I'm used to throwing wishes in a well. My conscience tells me that I could have helped without fail. Actions speak louder than words, and that's a lesson that I learned all by myself.